In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete the deleted pages in Notion. When you're working in Notion, you might delete pages you no longer need, assuming they're gone for good. But in reality, those pages are usually just moved to a sort of recycling bin called the trash. They still exist in your workspace, and in some cases they can be restored. If you want to truly remove them forever, you'll need to clear them out of the trash manually. That's exactly what we're going to do together. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're in the workspace where you originally deleted the pages. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar. This is where your pages, favorites, and settings live. In that sidebar, look for the section labeled Trash. Depending on your version or layout, this may appear at the very bottom of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on Trash. Once you click on Trash, Notion will show you a list of all the pages, subpages, or databases that you've deleted but haven't permanently removed yet. Think of this as a safety net that lets you recover something if you deleted it by mistake. Take a moment here to quickly scan through the deleted items. If there's anything you might want to keep, you can restore it instead of deleting it forever. It's worth double checking because once you permanently delete a page from the trash, you won't be able to get it back. Now, to permanently delete an item, click on the deleted page you want to remove. This will open it in the main area of the screen, but it will still be marked as a deleted page. Inside that view, Notion will give you options related to that deleted item. Look for the option that says Delete from Trash. Click on Delete from Trash to confirm that you really want this page gone permanently. After you do this, that specific page will be fully removed from your workspace and can no longer be restored. Repeat this for any other deleted pages that you're sure you no longer need. That's all there is to it. By clicking on Trash, opening your deleted items, and using the Delete from Trash option, you can permanently clear out old content and keep your Notion workspace